Hi everybody! Today I wanted to talk to you about a few different types of yogic breath so that you have an idea of the variations you can use during a meditation or on your yoga mat while you're flowing. The first breath we're going to talk about today is called Nadi Shodana. Nadi means channel and Shodana means purification. So within the title of this breath, it literally means to purify the energy channels. For each of us, about every 90 minutes or so, we'll have an alternating nostril dominance. This means whichever nostril is more dominant will have some kind of effect on how your nervous system and your brain is functioning. This ultimately can affect your clarity of mind and your ability to function in different ways. So now I'm going to take you through how to set up for this yogic breath. You're going to bring your right hand to your face into Vishnu Mudra. What you will do is you're going to bring your right thumb to your right nostril, your pointer finger and your middle finger rest on your forehead, and then your ring finger and your pinky finger will come to your left nostril. Exhale all of the stale air out. Plug your right nostril, release the left, inhale. Plug the left, release the right, exhale. Plug the right, release the left, inhale. Plug the left, release the right, exhale. That is how you're going to do Nadi Shodana breath. What I really love about Nadi Shodana is that it really makes you come to a place of having to be present with your breath and your body, because you have to focus on switching over to the different nostrils and breathing. So if you have trouble keeping focused or staying in the present moment, this breath will really help train you to become more present with where you're at. This breath is really great for people who have high stress or are highly anxious. It's very grounding and calming to do. This breath helps infuse the body with oxygen. It helps calm and rejuvenate your nervous system. It can really help to balance your hormones. It helps and supports clear and balanced respiratory channels also. This breath really helps release respiratory allergies that can lead to fever, sneezing, and wheezing. It can help balance your solar and lunar, feminine and masculine energies. It enhances your ability to concentrate and stay present. And it brings balance to the right and left hemispheres of the brain. If this breath is new for you, I encourage you to try it for just 5 minutes. And as you practice it and you start to find your rhythm, you can slowly add more and more time to your meditation with this breath. So that is Nadi Shodana for you. Our next breath is Ujjayi Pranayama, which translates to victorious breath. This is probably one of my most favorite yogic breaths. I use it in almost all of my yoga videos. When we breathe Ujjayi breath, we transform the automatic into deliberate, and thereby we become the master of our internal landscape. We can positively affect how we feel by regulating the length and sound of our inhales and our exhales. Now I'll take you through how to do your breath. What you're going to do is you're going to seal your lips and begin to breathe in and out through your nose. You're going to lift your tongue up to the roof of your mouth and add slight constriction to the back of your throat. It's a very audible and coarse breath, and your breath should sound similar to ocean waves. The action that's coming from adding constriction to the back of your throat is very similar to when you're fogging up a window or a mirror. So you can put your hand in front of you and exhale into it like you're trying to fog something up. You can feel that constriction into the back of your throat. That's what you want to bring into this breath. So let's try it out together. Seal your lips. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Very good. So just a few benefits of Ujjayi Pranayama. This breath can really help you improve your concentration in your physical yoga practice. It can help you learn to link your breath with your movement while you flow. And it helps focus your mind and keep your awareness in the present moment. This breath instills endurance. It will help you build energy by lending a meditative quality that helps maintain the rhythm of the class. This breath helps stimulate the nadis, which, as we talked about before, are the energy channels within our body. And that will help bring mental clarity and focus. Practicing Ujjayi Pranayama helps diminish distractions and keep the practitioner grounded in their practice. Ujjayi breath helps regulate the heat within the body. I definitely use it in this cold weather in Belgium when I'm walking outside. As soon as you need to warm up your body, you just begin to do this breath wherever you are, and you can heat yourself from within. A focused Ujjayi breath can help release tension in specific areas of your body, and it encourages the free flow of prana. That's just a few incredible things about the Ujjayi Pranayama. I highly encourage you to try it out. You can do any of my power yoga videos online, and I'm mostly always using the Ujjayi Pranayama. The next breath that we're going to talk about is called Suryavandana, which translates to sun piercing. Sun energy is the representation of hot or masculine vitality. This breath is said to help reignite the fire within. It is going to help stimulate things within your body and energy channels. Let's practice this breath together. You're going to bring your hand back to Vishnu Mudra, and you're going to bring your right thumb to your right nostril, pointer and middle finger to your forehead, ring finger and pinky to your left nostril. Exhale all the air out. Plug your left nostril, release the right, inhale. Plug the right, release the left, exhale. Plug the left, release the right, inhale. Plug the right, release the left, exhale. Plug the left, release the right, inhale. Plug the right, release the left, exhale. Very good. If you are a beginner practicing this breath, the best ratio for you is 1:1. So your inhales and your exhales are the same length, which would look like this. Same length of breath. If you're an advanced practitioner, your ratio is going to be a little bit different. You're going to inhale for 1 second, hold your breath for 4 seconds, and exhale for 2 seconds. So that'll look like this. Very good. So that is the different kind of ratios you would need. And if you are a beginner and you're wanting to hop up to the advanced right away, I encourage you to just practice building up your time with your breath. See if you can do 5 minutes of the 1:1 ratio, and then 10 minutes, and then 15 minutes, and then slowly start to work your way into the advanced ratio. And you should avoid this breath exercise if you have high blood pressure or any type of heart condition. If you are trying out the advanced ratio of this breath and holding your breath in between doesn't feel comfortable, do not push it. It's the most important that you feel your best while you're practicing this breath, and that you're able to breathe fully and not running into feeling like you're facing breathlessness. This breath, along with many others, is best to practice on an empty stomach. And now some benefits of this breath. Suryavandana increases the efficiency of your digestive system. It replenishes oxygen within your blood supply. This breath can drastically improve symptoms of depression or people that are depressed because it energizes and invigorates the body, which reduces weariness and exhaustion. This breath helps cleanse the frontal sinuses. It increases the body's temperature and helps clears mucus imbalance. And it helps reduce anxiety and manage stress better. So that's just a few benefits of the Suryavandana breath. That is just a few of the breaths I wanted to share with you today. With all of these breaths that I shared with you today, I encourage you that if you're going to practice them, that you really stick to just focusing on one at a time so you can give it all of your energy and build yourself up to become better and better over time. If you have any questions or you'd like to add anything that I forgot to add, please share it. Stay tuned for more and I'll see you later. Namaste.